They know who they are. They know who they are. Meron naman dyan talagang mga notorious. Matagal ng ganito ang ginagawa. I'm sorry, but they will have to account for their actions and they will have to account for the expenditures that they have made na hindi natin nakikita kung ano yung naging resulta.
Sa ngayon ho, ito'y warning, ito'y order to conduct an audit, to hold people accountable. Ang tanong ho siguro ngayon, is President Marcos going to crack the whip, really crack the whip on those responsible?
The key thing here is to fix the problem. I always say this, but I'm sure you've heard me say it before. Fix the problem, not the blame. You cannot fix the problem without knowing who to blame.
Yes.
So that one thing follows another. So for us to fix the problem, we have to know what happened and where did it go wrong at sinong dapat managot. Meron dapat naman managot dahil sa dinadaanan na hirap na dinadanas ng ating mga kababayan. They have to be told who is responsible and somebody has to answer for their suffering.
Paano ho kung kaalyado ninyo?
Sorry na lang. Hindi na kita kaalyado kung ganyan ang ginagawa mo. Ayaw na kitang kaalyado.
Okay.